Good morning, students. Welcome to the online class of grammar, chapter number 19, preposition. So, in the previous lecture, we have learned some important things about preposition of times and preposition of action, right? Now, we are going to learn about preposition of time, preposition of time. Preposition of time tell us when something happens. For example, we reach Wednesday on July 15. We got out of the ship at 10 a.m. So students, in the previous lecture we have seen we use on for specific dates, right? And also we use in the for the part of the day, whether it's morning, evening or afternoon. And we use at for to show the time. Okay, so let us we have seen the exercise D. Underline all the preposition of time in the passage. At 12 a passage was at 12 a.m. on 26 July 2012, hundreds of bells were rang for 3 minutes across England to celebrate the beginning of Olympics. The loudest sound, of course, came from ringing the Big Ben. The biggest bell in Big Ben is called the Great Bell. It weighs 6 tons. It first chimed in July 1859, so you can imagine the sound it makes. But this is not the biggest bell in England. A distance away from Big Ben is the 12-ton bell at St. Paul's Cathedral. This was cast in 1881. This large bell, along with cycle bells, door bells, phones, school bells, prayer bells, and bells on paid collars, were all rung in unison. However, at 8:15 a.m., everything was quiet again. So, students, this was the story of the bell. This is the passage regarding the bell, okay, in England. So, you can see here when it start at 12 a.m. on which date? On 26 July 2012. So, it was the story of the bell that makes the loudest sound, okay. And it also refers to the biggest bell in England, that's called the Great Bell, okay. So in this we have learned where we have used preposition at, on, in and at. So at where is there is a time, you have to write at, and where is there is a specific date, you have to write on or in, okay. You have used on and in, okay. If it is specific days, you can see on 26 July 2010 and in July 1859, okay. Next slide, take the correct proposition. Here you can see the spaceship is arriving on June 26 at 2 o'clock in the afternoon. We are going to receive our alien friends at 1 o'clock in the afternoon. We are planning to take them to Gir Forest. It rains heavily on July, so the biggest time to see the lion is tomorrow. We can leave at 4 p.m. We can return to our homes at 3 p.m. on Sunday. The aliens will stay with us for a week. So students, you can see here we have used the word at the time, and we have used the word in for the time of the day, morning, afternoon, okay. And you can use on for Sunday, Friday, the days, okay, days, month and years and century, okay students. Next slide, fill in the blanks using in or at. So we have to use here in, on or at. First one, Sachin Tendulkar was born on 24th July. His birthday is in April. Sachin was born on a Tuesday. So you can see here when was the Sachin Tendulkar born. So date is there, so we have used on here. His birthday is in April. अप्रैल में है उसका बर्थडे, राइट, इसलिए हमने इनका यूज़ किया हुआ है. Sachin was born on a Tuesday. Now here again day is referred, so we have used on here. he was born in 1973. वो कब born हुआ? 1973 के अंदर. He was born at 2:25 PM. ओके, यहाँ पे टाइम आ गया इसलिए we will use at here. His brother gave him a bat in 1984. His brother gave him the bat on 24 April 1984. ओके, यहाँ पे अगर स्पेसिफिक आप देख सकते हो दोनों 5th 6th और 7th they are same. ओके, we have used in for the years, right, and for date we have used on here. So whether there is a date you can write on directly, and if the months years are referred then you can write on. Okay, he gave it in the morning. Again in is used for the part of the day. 9th one, he gave it at 8 AM. So 9th one is at, as it is time is there. 10th one, Sachin coach Mr. Achrekar coached him in Shivaji Park every day in the morning. So here in is referred in the, as for the part of the day here. 11th one, he took him to other grounds in the evening. For 12th one, Sachin went to MRF Pace Foundation cricket camp in 1987. Here also year is referred, so we have used the in here. There he played cricket at 5 AM every day. So students, here you can see clock is given here, so we have used word at here. 14th, he became the first cricketer to score 35 centuries in 2005. Again the year is given, so we have used the word in here. He became the first cricketer to record 15,000 runs in one day international cricket in 2007. So here in is referred. So student, you can see here when there is a date like 1987, 2005, 2007, we have used the preposition in here. And for part of the day we have used here morning, evening, afternoon, we have used the word in here. Okay, so remember that when we have used in, on or at. So read again whole this chapter again. Okay, and study well at home. Okay, so that's for all today now. Thank you and have a nice day.